Number 1.
1974 Dodge W100, price $9,000, finished in a striking green exterior with a matching green interior. It's powered by a strong 318 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. With only 80,000 miles on the odometer, this truck runs, shifts, and stops well, offering a solid and reliable driving experience. Despite its naturally poor fuel economy, typical of vehicles from this era, the enjoyment it brings behind the wheel more than makes up for it. Whether cruising around town or taking a drive through the countryside, this green machine is guaranteed to put a smile on your face. It was recently acquired by the current owner as a fun, nostalgic addition to their collection, but with no practical use for it at the moment, it's now being offered for sale. The truck runs on gasoline and, while it does not currently have a radio installed, it's otherwise in good mechanical condition and ready to hit the road.
Number 2.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,000, with a gray interior, 147,000 miles, and an automatic transmission. It runs and drives great with no leaks and has been used as a reliable daily driver for over 40 miles a day. The truck runs on gasoline and features a unique black paint job with blue flake that appears in sunlight. It has late model wheels, a new battery, radiator, and Flowmaster muffler. Around 100,000 miles, the original engine was replaced with a Goodwrench 350 by a dealer, and both the transmission and Posey rear end were rebuilt based on word from the previous owner. The floors are solid, though there's some rust on the rockers, cab corners, and one rear shock mount.
Known issues include an exhaust leak at the header, a worn headliner, and an SC system that doesn't blow cold.
The current tires are fine for summer but may need replacing before winter. Despite its age, this Chevy offers dependable performance and a distinctive look, ideal for daily use or weekend cruising.
Number 3.
1984 Chevrolet C10, price $10,000, finished in a flat black paint job that complements its aggressive stance. Under the hood, it's reportedly powered by a built 383-stroker engine, paired with a TH400 automatic transmission featuring a manual valve body, giving the driver full control over gear shifts. The truck runs strong and smooth, aided by an aluminum radiator and electric fans that help keep temperatures in check, even under demanding conditions. While the interior is not in the best condition and could use some attention, the mechanical setup more than makes up for it, making the C10 a solid choice for anyone looking for a driver-oriented street machine. This C10 features a black exterior, uses gasoline as its fuel source, and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, although the manual valve body provides a more performance-oriented driving experience.
Number 4.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,500, strong running truck that's covered approximately 183,000 miles on both the V6 engine and automatic transmission. Originally white, it has been repainted in sleek black to match its clean black interior, which is rated 9 out of 10 in condition. The truck features a 3/5 drop with an underbed notch, allowing it to sit as low as 12 inches in the rear while still maintaining plenty of clearance. It rides on a set of stylish wheels wrapped in Cooper Cobra tires. Despite having manual windows, the truck is equipped with power locks, a working alarm system, and a key ignition kill switch for added security. The AC system blows ice-cold air, making it comfortable to drive in any weather. A 454-style front grille and brand new headlights with LEDs give the exterior a refreshed and aggressive appearance. The vehicle holds a clean title and reflects the care and attention it has received over the years.
Number 5.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, with 280,000 miles, a 4.3L V6 engine, and a 5-speed manual transmission. It features a white exterior, blue interior, and rides on Tahoe limited wheels. The body is straight with only minor dings, and the frame is rust-free aside from normal surface rust. The truck has been driven on long trips without issue, and plenty of recent work has been done to keep it running strong. Upgrades include a new fuel tank, sending unit, fuel pump, filter, transmission and motor mounts, and a new distributor cap and rotor. Most maintenance is up to date, making it a great candidate for a project or daily driver.
Number 6.
1976 Ford F350, price $7,500, showing just 62,000 original miles. It retains its original paint and interior, showcasing the truck's authenticity and well-kept condition. Powered by a reliable 390 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it offers power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and even factory cruise control, rare features for a truck of this era. Additionally, a custom spare tire compartment was fabricated on the passenger side of the bed, further setting it apart from standard models. However, It has since been brought back to strong running condition. The engine runs smoothly, the transmission shifts properly, and the braking system has been completely rebuilt. There is very little rust, making this F350 an outstanding candidate for both collectors and enthusiasts seeking originality and functionality in a vintage Ford truck.
Number 7.
1974 Chevrolet C10, price $6,500, currently offered for sale by a seasoned shop owner who oversaw its mechanical restoration. At its heart is a factory original 454 cubic inch big block V8 engine, known for its raw power and torque. This engine has just received a complete and professional rebuild, ensuring smooth performance, strong reliability, and years of dependable driving ahead. Paired with a heavy-duty TH400 automatic transmission, this truck delivers a solid and responsive driving experience. It starts right up without hesitation and runs and drives just as it should. Not only does the C10 boast impressive mechanical credentials, but it also comes with a clean and clear title, making ownership simple and stress-free.
Number 8.
1988 Chevrolet 3500, price $4,300, with only 81,000 original miles on the odometer. Powered by a strong 5.3L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission, this heavy-duty truck runs and drives exceptionally well. The solid suspension ensures a stable ride, while the good tires still have plenty of life left, making it ready for both work or leisure use. The cold air conditioning delivers excellent comfort, even in hot weather. Finished in a classic red exterior with a matching red interior, it offers a bold, vintage look. This 3500 comes with a clean title, and a Carfax report is available upon request. There are no warning lights on the dashboard, further confirming its solid mechanical condition.
Number 9.
1988 GMC 1500, price $8,500, finished in a clean white exterior with a matching gray interior. This truck offers a timeless look that's both simple and sharp. It has just 80,000 miles on the odometer, and beneath the hood, it features a professionally swapped 5.3L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong and consistent performance. The truck runs perfectly with no mechanical issues whatsoever. Turn the key and it fires right up every time. The engine and transmission combination provides excellent power and drivability, making it ideal for cruising, hauling, or even daily use.
One of the standout qualities of this GMC is its completely rust-free condition, a rare find for a vehicle of this age. The body and undercarriage are clean, showing no signs of corrosion or major wear. Number 10.
1990 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500, with 297,000 miles on the odometer, though the engine has far fewer miles. In 2013, the original 350 V8 engine was replaced with a reliable O'Reilly remanufactured engine, which has seen very little use since installation. The truck features a smooth-shifting automatic transmission and is equipped with power windows and power door locks. Finished in a classic blue exterior with a matching blue interior, the truck has a clean and cohesive appearance. It runs on gasoline and has been mostly sitting in the driveway over the past few years, but it still fires right up without issue. While the air conditioning system is present, it currently does not blow cold. The body is very straight, with no rust present, making it a solid candidate for continued use or restoration. It comes with a clear title and reflects the durability and dependability that these GMC trucks are known for.